it's like smoothly in.
Oh yeah.
There are cabins that's like right next to each other, like our cabin. Oh wow, it's really hot. The pan is hot. This hash brown is actually southern style hash brown. We were trying to find a hash brown for me that is not seasoned, but this is the only one they have left. But they're bacon. There's like this. It's so thin. So this is good enough.
Okay.
Almost like finish off the bacon.
Tomorrow morning, just like sashimi. Oh, why then?
I thought you were using it for the spaghetti that you're gonna.
Sashima? No.
Why do you need ramen?
Slice it up.
Okay. Oh my god, I just realized there's another plugger right here. We don't need to use that plugger over there. I'm trying to charge everything in the other plugger. In the other plugger. That's so dumb of me. We're going to play tic-tac-toe. You know what? The casing is running out of battery, but then the camera itself still have battery. This is funny.
That's what it was.
It's already seasoned.
The hash brown?
So it has been bugging me because there's an extra piece right there. So I was wondering if you can pull this and pull it, right? Because imagine if you have 4 people in the cabin, how can you eat together inside when it's raining outside? So sounds like you can, like,
No, you can't.
I don't think you can, right?
This piece here. This one?
Oh yeah, it's actually screwed.
Screwed in.
Yeah, right there. So you cannot do anything about it. So it's screwed. So there's no way you can pull it though. I don't think it's actually made that way. But this flap right here, this is closed off because there's a few spots down there. But if the leg look like this, can you fold the leg? Nope, you cannot. Okay, never mind. We just know the basic of enjoying your campfire. So they kind of give you like a step-by-step, like letting you know step-by-step what you should do, what you should not do, and then how to put it out. You know, don't leave it untended. Golden rules, thinking ahead, gas policy, quiet time. They're telling you when it's a quiet time, campfires. So you have to extinguish the campfire by 10. All fire must be contained inside your fire ring and extinguish it by 10 p.m. Campfire must be kept knee-high or below and in accordance with local fire bans. Building a fire during a fire ban is dangerous and will result to 500 fine. Don't dispose of cans, bottles, or trash in the ring fire ring. Who does that? Ready? Don't need to bring umbrella. It's raining last night. So wet. This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Charles bring an umbrella for our protection in case there's a wild animals. We're taking a walk right now because we just finished our dinner. I mean not dinner, breakfast. Too fast. The day had just started. So there's a lot of like mini trails that you can walk on, and this is one of them. Let's see where we're going. They have the worker who actually taking care of it. Charles is the weird one bringing umbrella.
Yep.
It's so cool, like how each cabin has their own name, so you know which exactly is your cabin. This morning is really cold, like that's why I'm like really look like cold right now. I'm wearing gloves. I have my jacket all zipped up all the way up to my neck because it's really cold. It's Seattle, you know, March, still cold. It did rain, I think last night, because when I opened the door and the windows, it's all wet. And thank God I'm wearing the shoes because the ground is wet. Still wet. This is my waterproof shoes. That's why it doesn't look really that pleasant. It's like it's a Nike shoes, the Gore-Tex version. Thing is waterproof shoes. And this one is a raining shoes. I just got it for the sake of it because if I have to go to the gym and it's raining outside or snowing, I cannot just wear my regular running shoes because it's slippery. Perks of living in Washington State. Either the rain, snow, and plus on top of that is the cold weather. There's so many nature paths. See right there? You see that, Charles? I'm guessing that they kinda give you a sign where to go, is it? But this is a small pad. There's another cabins, I think, because this is like trails for cars to go through. The cabin is pretty like it's kind of like scattered around. Yeah. So there are cabins that's like a little bit further from everybody else. And honestly, Charles, I don't think we need the umbrella.
Just watch.
Oh, that's nice for dogs owner, because this area is also like dog friendly cabin or area, so they provide you like with a bag. Oh, there's nature path again. This is the lower trail. This is the upper trail.
Oh, upper trail for now.
Okay.
It's not that much.
Okay. Of course it's not that much. Because it's not literally like actual hiking, it's just a trailhead. Ooh. Yeah, thank God my shoes is black. I bring extra shoes because I know it's gonna rain today, or you know, anytime today. And it's still wet. Okay, it started to elevate a little bit more than what I expected. Oh, there's a mini waterfall right there. Right there. I think that's a dead end right there on up ahead. Yep, that's it. I can try. I'm scared it's gonna be slippery here. Oh! Oh, look at that! Nice. Wait, you can go up there because there's a sign that says trail end. That's where the trail ended right there. So we're going to the lower trail. I think this side is much more flatter. Another small creek right here. I wonder where it's coming from. Seems like coming from this side. From that side going down here. And then all the way down there. Huh? What is it? Nature path? Oh. Yeah, there's some sign right here telling you like whether you're in the right path or not. If you don't see those signs, that means you're not in the wrong. You're in the wrong path, for sure.
There's only one path.
Yeah, that's true. There's only one path. You can't mess it up. They give you a bench in case you want to sit down and just enjoy the nature. So only staff can go in there. This is nature path, so yep, these are the signs that I was telling you guys. You'll see it like on the branches, or it will stick onto the tree. Like this one over here.
Nope. Do I know what these are?
I don't know if the camera catch that. Huh?
What these are?
No.
Moss.
Alright. Duh. Somehow I forgot the word. I was like, what is this green stuff? Right, I feel like I knew it, but I don't know what's the name. Like, it just doesn't like register in my head. But there's so many moss though. That's mean.
It only goes on the ground. Come off the ground.
Oh gosh, this trail is getting harder. You reach another water stream again. Oh, it's another waterfall. Oh, like I almost fell. Oh. That's mud right there. So that's why Charles is trying to step into this woods right there. Oh! Yep, it's muddy. The end. And you got a waterfall. So Charles, what is it that you want to tell?
Oh, there's just some on Instagram. There are just some folks who, I guess they want to take the morning cold dive or something like that.
They're standing right there.
Yeah. To feel the 100%.
No, I think it's the other one though, because it's actually should be higher enough. Because if you're standing there, you have to kind of like beyond your knee a little bit. It's not, the water stream is not like strong enough. One more thing though, if you come here in the summer, because they open all season. But imagine you walk into this trailhead, and it's summer. You're gonna have like fly or mosquito all around you. Not flies, but mosquitoes, yes. Okay, this feels weird. Oh, there's like 3 chairs right there.
4.
Oh yeah, 4. I hope we're not getting in trouble for doing this. But there's nobody in here though, so it's not like we're bothering anyone. Oh yeah, there are some bedroom windows that are really tall like that. So I guess this is more private. Or maybe just that it's elevated or something. I'm not really sure. We can't come inside. Like I said, it's locked. So they'll give you like a key code or for your keypad when you're about to check in.
Oh,
Charles trying to jump, huh?
Queen.
Huh?
2 queen.
Two twin? You think the camera can catch it if I just extend it?
I think it's queen. It's queen size. So if I see there, it's quite queen.
Yeah.
And I I can't do it.
It's right there too. Yeah, see, I told you it's the bunk bed one.
Double queen bunk bed.
Yeah.
So they already have.
I wonder
one.
what's inside, but I think you guys can see it from the camera.
Yeah.
I wonder how elevated the bathroom is because the bathroom window is taller than ours. So it seems like our cabin is right there, and then the bunk bed one is right here. So we're not that far then. I don't know how many bunk bed cabins they have.
I think they got plenty.
They got plenty?
Probably that size.
Oh yeah, maybe there's one too because you can tell from the bathroom window it's kind of small.
Maybe.
But this one is look a little bit smaller. I don't know.
Well, it looks like there's 2 chairs.
Oh yeah, see there's only 2 chairs. Oh, this is weird looking. Is that the bathroom window right there? Huh, interesting. I want to look at it now. That's like a weird sound, that's why I just stand there for a little bit. Oh, this is cool. This walking entrance. So the keypad is from here? Interesting. Usually right there by the door. I mean stuck on the door. Oh, this is a little bit let me see. Oh yeah, different design, Charles. Look at the kitchen. The way they place the utensil plates and everything.
That's conductive.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, so does thing have a window? So earlier the small window is for the bathroom then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, interesting. So every cabin designed differently. Either is even though it's just like for 2 people. So that's what I'm talking about, the bathroom window right there.
What's the days where you play capture the flag? What does it feel like this?
It'll be nice if they have like activities going on because there is like a lot of empty lands like this. This one probably the same thing as ours. It would be nice if they give us that one earlier. The one that we just looked at.
Cost extra.
Well, you never know though because I think the way they pick us which cabin we're going to is depend on like the system or like
No. There's a selection and how many people.
Oh, there you go. But that one earlier for 2 people only though. Oh, this one is a little bit inward. So, this for 2 people too. See? We have people right here. We have people that side. See, all of our neighbors, there's people.
Yep.
So, you can check in early, but then you have to pay extra. Our neighbor came in early, like around 9 when I woke up this morning.
Like extra $25, I think.
I think so.
25 bucks.
Even the Campfire kit is actually like $40 or something.
I think it's 45.
45, there you go.
Yeah. Initial campfire kit. Initial. Oh, protected wetland.
Oh, flowers in the area may be poisonous? Huh. That's why you're not touching random things. Talking to you, Charles.
Annie.
I just touched a flower. I don't know if that flower is poisonous or not.
Well, you want to wash your hands then.
Oh, okay. Let's go in. I don't want to touch my face. Because that really scared me. Okay, we're back. Oh. So we put our chair upside down because it was wet. So we're hoping that it's gonna be dry by the time we use it later. Or we can sit in there if it's dry. But if we're making some s'mores, we have to sit here. You know, to get the feeling. And it's probably cold too at night, so right? Charles is tired from all that walk. I'm gonna get water. Okay. Okay, those are gonna be better because it's closer to the
Flame.
excuse me, the flame.
Yeah.
What about those two?
Not yet.
Those are what?
Potato.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Not really a big fan of sweet potatoes, so I don't understand why it's a potato but it's so sweet. So I like the savory potatoes. But I cannot wait for that. The mushroom. You want me to put more mushroom?
Sure.
Okay.
Right now I'm just...
Ooh. Ah, it's okay. Whatever. I want the taste of the meat too. Okay. One more. Last one. Oh gosh, I thought it was gonna drop. Is this done? Whee! It's hot. I should have not touched it with my bare hand. These two? Are they done?
More or less.
Or not yet?
I can't really tell.
It looks a little bit white though. This is still white in the middle.
Yeah. Just take a bite.
I think it's hot. No?
It is, but it tastes
Funny?
like mushrooms. That's it.
Okay.
But if you want, you can make it more cooked more. It's a bit
Yeah,
wet.
maybe cook more.
It's a bit wet on the inside.
The inside, I can tell.
Right. Well, just like you're pretty much all done already.
Okay.
That one, check that one out.
Oh wow, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna eat that. Charles just take out the what is it called? Oh my gosh, sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Yeah, you just simply wrap them in aluminum foil and just toss them in the fire. Oh, it is done.
Whoa.
Yeah, let me try poking center. Oh, yep.
Oh yep.
It is done.
It's like smoothly in there.
You.
No, you try it. Sweet potato is not my thing, but I can do yam. Oh my god, it burned.
Yep, it burns through.
You can see it's like burned, and it kind of ripped too.
Yep, exactly.
Kind of ripped.
But that's what we're gonna do. And then, but the thing is, like the inside though, should still be okay.
It smells like candy. For some reason, it smells like candy. From here.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside, fix it. Alright. I'm back.
Oh yeah. You scrape it all out, right?
Most of it.
Are you gonna make me try it? Okay, fine, I'll try it. So you scrape it real clean.
No, I didn't scrape it real clean actually. The skin actually
Just the skin.
falls off.
Yeah, because it's only char on the skin side.
Yeah.
Honey, you know I'm not gonna finish it.
Of course I know. I'm gonna eat it.
I don't get sweet potatoes ever. My mom forced me to eat before.
Is this sweet potato? Yeah. Looks
I don't-
too old yellowish to be sweet potato.
I don't even know. I thought yam.
Let us know in the comments below.
If you guys can tell the difference, you know, and how can you tell the difference anyway?
Look at the color.
No, the color look the same. Maybe shade?
They got two texture.
I don't know. We might be wrong. Let's try the shroom. Okay.
Yeah, it might be tough on the bottom. That's I figured. But I've bitten into mine earlier.
I was confused whether to cut the bottom part or not.
Probably like another slice, but and then you gotta do like the double skewers.
But this is good though. Oh, they're not that far from us. By the bush, I can see their face. They're like this. They're like blatantly show it, you know, blatantly like show it, like because their driveway's right there. They could have played to that side, you know, to the other side because even their cabin and the next cabin is like there's like a big white space. So I don't know why they have to play this way. in our driveway, like in front of our driveway.
Honestly, we're enjoying our food. They're delicious.
Or maybe they actually smell Charles cooking.
Oh, they would smell the smoke for sure.
Yeah, that's what they're like. They're like waiting for us to like kind of over them. But the broccoli though, I wish we bring some seasoning.
What, lemon pepper? Lemon pepper. I should probably put garlic inside of it too as well, like so that it gets a little more garlicky flavor. But this is really easy. Like you just chop a bunch of broccoli, put a little slab of butter, salt and pepper on top of it. Make you eat it just like as is, or you know you want a little more flavor and put some the lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is good. Essentially, if you try to do baking of these kind of food, it does transition over well when you're doing open fire.
I feel like I can eat more meat, but for some reason, my body is like, "Are you sure?"
Nope.
It's not bad. Okay, it's delicious, but
I bet you if you hike up more honey,
oh yeah,
2 or 3 miles, you'll be hungry. You'll eat like crazy.
for sure. But I need to finish this though, because we already opened it. Korean pickles.
Oh, yeah, finish it.
No, not yet.
I'll help you.
He's the finisher.
Yep, yes ma'am. I finished all food. At least I tried to.
I like this tumbler kind of cup that they provided for you. You can use it when you want a cold drinks or hot drinks, so perfect. Right? Okay, maybe I should eat more. It takes a while. It takes forever for me to clean my fingers and stuff because all the sauce, the meat, the juice, and everything goes in my finger. I don't know. I'm very conscious about my like how clean my fingers are and everything before I touch anything else. So once my fingers are very, very clean, it's hard for me to make it dirty again. Like I have to literally just close my eyes, pretend that I do not see it.
You know, on the other hand, I gotta maintain the fire.
You're checking out the mushroom.
Yep. Maintain the fire. Make sure it's burning accordingly. Still gotta. Do you think I have enough space for s'mores? I mean, it's okay if you use the fire bundle.
Oh yeah, aren't you saving the logs? I mean the wood for the s'mores? What happened?
No, there's one still. Still got the sweet potato we need to cook off.
This is what we call not overpacking, what's it called?
Overcompensating.
Yeah. No, there's another word to say. Over prep. There you go.
Personally, over prep is better than under prep. Because you're over here, imagine like sometimes they also close early too. So what time is it right now? Like what, 5-ish? Right?
4:43.
4:43. So you're nearest to like maybe like, I don't know, grocery store, maybe 15-16 minutes away.
No, there's no nearest grocery store. You saw that.
There is. But it's like 15-16 minutes away. But and you might run into the issue where they close early. So 5 p.m. you go, leave.
Because it's gonna be in the middle of nowhere too. Kind of like in the boonies.
We're actually in the wetlands.
I got poked by this. And I tried to put on the skewer. I got poked. Because I didn't know, like, right when it went in, it just slide all the way to the other side. So, and my finger was holding the other end and it poked me. That hurts. It hurts. You might think that this is not sharp. It's actually sharp. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but it's actually sharp. It's not like too sharp, like not pointy, but this is sharp enough though. Since we bought, like, we pretty much purchased some extra wood, so why not just use them all? It's not useless. Oh, I've never done this, so wish me luck. Whoa, what am I doing? Another one. Oh gosh, I'm breathing the ash and smoke.